Hi everyone, today we're going to show you an example demo on how to create a storyboard with Gemini and also Gemini with Google Workspace using Google Drive. Now, I'm going to show you the ways on how to create a storyboard. We'll start with Gemini. Now, the first thing you need to make sure is that you have the file ready, especially the videos. In addition to that, there's a file size limit. Usually it's roughly 400 MB maximum. So the ways for you to upload a file is to either upload it from your device or you can upload this through Google Drive itself. Now, in my case, I'm going to upload the videos using Google Drive. Okay, so I'm going to use a sample prompt instructions and it has been broken down using the chain of thought framework. Now, the goal here is that, or the persona is you are a creative strategist and a storyboard artist working for a marketing and communications agency. So the goal is analyze the uploaded video and convert it into a strategic storyboard suitable for brand and campaign development. So for context, it's saying here that focus on human insights, emotional storytelling, and brand meaning. It's also giving us each step like scene step one, scene breakdown, step two, the storyboard itself. It's breaking down the storyboard into each steps like the scene number and the timestamp, scene description, and then also step three, the frame level highlights, and then step four, strategic summary, and then the output format. Let's say the output format should be clean, structured, and presentation ready. And then I'm going to paste it here. And then you have the option to choose whether it's a fast thinking or pro. For demo purposes, I'm going to use a pro model. And then let's proceed with Google Drive. So as we can see, I already have the videos here. You need to make sure to upload the videos. The beauty about Gemini in Google Drive is you can actually analyze information from videos that can actually exceed 400 MB. For example, I have a video here that is 2.8 gigabyte. However, the catch here is whenever you upload a video, it takes time for Gemini to process the data. So sometimes when you upload a video, it takes roughly 15-30 minutes or sometimes an hour for it to um, scrape the data or generate the data itself. Now, you just need to make sure that you're currently using Gemini for workspace for you to be able to see that. How will you know with this star? Now, let's go ahead and click this one of the videos as an example. Okay, so what I'm going to do is using the same prompt instruction, I'm going to copy and paste it here. Now, the difference is there's no option for you to select the model except for create an image, which is the Nano Banana image model of Gemini. But most likely in the future, Gemini may integrate the option or the feature to select a specific AI model where it's a thinking a pro or the fast model. So as we can see, it's already generating like the actual scene breakdown and then the storyboard and then the architect saying here that the human insight strategy is the bridge between raw data and human resonance and then the friction and then it's giving the frame level highlights and then also the strategic summary as well. So going back to Gemini, now it's already giving us like the break scene breakdown, the void vessel, and then if you we go back to Google Drive, the beauty about this feature is you can export it this directly either like for example the data you can export it directly through Google Sheets and it will generate the Google Sheet file for you so you don't have to copy and paste it. It's already there. And then it will give you the source. And then also you can export this data into Google Docs as well. So you just have to click this and then it will show you the actual Google Doc file, which is this one. So it already has like the scene breakdown, the storyboard itself, And then you have the option, for example, like if you wanted to, let's say, um, switch this to document, but just to be sure, I'll switch it into fast. So can you import this into a document? So what I'm going to do that is I will try to use the canvas mode where I can edit the document and use fast. Now the reason why I switch to fast because sometimes when you're trying to use, let's say for example, import a certain data from Gemini to like Google Sheets or Google Slides or let's say Google Docs, it doesn't sometimes it doesn't work. So it's like a hit and a miss. So like this one, it generated the canvas, which means that you can actually edit the data here real time. For example, I can actually if I can change the spelling or the content. I can actually save this and then also share and export. You just have to click this and you can export this directly to Google Docs. Okay, as we can see, it already generated the actual document for us. Okay, so um, that's it for now. So we're going to see you on our next demo. So uh, please follow us on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you wanted to uh, get for us to create more valuable contents for you. Just make sure to support us by subscribing and also clicking the bell button so that we can notify you on the latest contents. That's all. Thank you so much. Have a good day.